Good morning. Let's grow some fresh vegetables today. This soil is ready for planting. Grow well, little seeds. This soil is ready for planting. Drink up, little seeds. You need water to grow. Look, the vegetables are starting to grow. Good job, little plants. I will take care of you. The vegetables are ready to harvest. Fresh vegetables are the best. Let's wash these fresh vegetables. Nice and clean. Let's keep them nice and neat. My farm is growing beautifully.